So first of all, what you have to do is go to URL and type ads.google.com and then click on sign in. If you are creating a new account, then you can click on start now. Else, if you have an account, you can click on sign in. Since I already have an account on this email ID, so what I'll do is I will click on my Gmail account, and you see there is already an account. So in order to make sure that you understand how to create this Google Ads account without creating a campaign, so what I'll do is I'll click on create new Google Ad account and create new account. And here you can see there is an option you will get over here is skip campaign creation. So you do not have to do anything. Do not click on create your first campaign. Just click on not ready to create a campaign, then click on just skip campaign creation. And what you have to do over here is you have to give the billing details. So whatever country you are in, you can give that country, then time zone, and then currency. Just to make sure that you understand this is not going to change. Once you have created your account, then this will remain constant. You cannot change it later. So make sure that you are 100% sure like what country, time zone, and currency you are selecting. Here you get an option to get support from Google Ads Expert. So if you are new and you want, then you can click on just select yes, or if not, then you can click no. If you are selecting yes, then make sure that you give this country, you select the country and then give the phone number, particular phone number. I do not want any support from Google Ads, then I'll click just no and click on submit. So you get this screen. After that you can click on explore your account, and here you are. You can see you can navigate through the everything under Google. So the best way to learn Google Ads or Google Ads account dashboard, you have to walk through each and every tabs and make sure that you understand the Google Ads properly. So each tab gives you details about specific details about whatever you need in a Google Ads account. So suppose if I click on admin, I'll have like account settings, access and security, where I can give access to others. Like if I click on access and security, then you can see like I can give access to someone else, their email address, and based on that I can give access to only email or billing or read only or standard or admin. Similarly, you can have a manager to that account, and if you click on security, here what you can do is you can turn on like two-step authentication, and also you can have like allowed domains, which means if you add some domain, then you can give access to, like this is required when you are giving access to a email ID which is like domain email ID, like hello@mukeshkumar.co, or any like www.google.com. so like that, if you have to give, you can add this, and then only you will be able to give the access to others. Apart from admin, you can apart from account settings, in that you have these options under account settings. Apart from access and security, you have account name. Here whatever account name you give, it will reflect over here. Since if you can see I have not given any account name, it's not reflecting here. If I give it, it will reflect just over here after this. So let's tell this, save this as a Mukesh Kumar. So this will get reflected. So let me refresh. You can see account number and account name is being reflected over here. Account status is active, and then do not need to do anything. As you can see, like you cannot change, as I had told in the beginning of this video. Auto tagging, this is very important setting, so you have to keep this on. Tracking template tracking, this tracking you can learn later once you start creating campaign and all. Call reporting, yes, you can turn it on. Negative keywords, yes, in once these settings will come into play once you start. Once you start creating the campaigns. And auto apply, make sure that it's off. Very few are auto apply settings are there, which you can enable it once you create the campaign. And here there is something called preferences. Under this, one of the important thing to mention here is, in case your account, you want to change your name, account name, or in case you want to cancel the account, then under account status you can do cancel my account. Rest of the things you do not need to do any changes. Here you can give your details, primary contact, so that Google can reach out to you in case there is any issue with your account. This is also one important thing that you need to set up the billing. So how this works is, you need to give your card details or internet banking. So make sure that you give proper details, and make sure that you use the card of your name or your business name, so that your account doesn't get blocked. If you use some suspicious kind of activity, and if you do any suspicious kind of activity, then your account might get blocked. Then click on I agree to the terms and click on create new profile. Here you can select individual or organization. If you have a business that is registered, like you have a GST or private limited company, then you can use as a organization, else individual. Why this is important to select? Because once you create your account, Google will ask you for a verification, and you need to give that verification to submit it to Google, so that Google will verify that you are the owner of this company. Your name should be there, and if you are not if you fail to verify this, then you will not be able to run the ads in the on Google. So I do not have anything. I do not want to select as a organization, so I'll do this like individual, and give it like legal name Mukesh Kumar, and I can give my address, select state Karnataka, and create. Once this payment profile is done, I need to add the payment method. So let's see what all payment methods are available. So first of all, first payment method is add a credit or debit card. Second one is pay with net banking. Third one is pay with bank transfer. So if you select on add on credit card, you can add your credit card number, date of expiry, and then CVV code and cardholder name. If you select on net banking, what it will do is it will select, and then you can do select for manual payment and click on continue, and here you have to enter amount. So if you say I have entered 100 rupees and it's asking for minimum is like 500, so let's enter 500. You can click on continue, and I agree to the terms and submit. So it will take you to the bank from where you can log in. You can select your bank and log in and make the payment. So you can see the drop down. These are the list of the banks that are available with Google Ads. So here what I'll do is I'll just not make any payment and just close this. So even if you do not make the payment and just close it, your payment profile will get created. So let me refresh it. So your payment profile is created. So let's try to add another payment method that we had and see what's there. So if I click on pay with bank transfer, let's say 500, click on continue, add funds. So here what you need to do is you need to do NEFT or IMPS to this account. Bank name Citibank, branch name Mumbai, IFSC code, and unique virtual account number. This is the account number you have to give, and you can give Google India Private Limited. So this is one of the time taking process, but again, if none of the options are working and you are really in need to make you are in really need of making adding the funds to your account, then this is one of the important steps that you can take. So you can see over here, wait for confirmation. You'll get an email confirming you updated balance in 5 to 10 business days. But in the most of the cases I have seen that that it will take max 3 to 4 days, or if you're lucky it might take less days. So let's done. So this is one of the payment part, and make sure that you do not add different cards, so that Google might take that as a suspicious and might block you. Here you can see your billing activity, like how much you have added, how much Google has detected. So everything you will get to see here. Payment methods, whatever you have used, credit card, debit card, net banking, whatever you have, you can see over here. There is an option to get promotions, so you can add the promotions, promotional code over here, then it will show here and you can redeem that. If you click on billing transfer, yes, there is an option to do that, and you can do the billing transfer to someone else. Advertiser verification. So this is one of the important step that you need to do once you create your account. So if I click on the start verification, it will ask me to submit the details. So advertiser verification contains like your ID, any PAN card or PAN card, DL. So few are accepted, Aadhaar is not accepted. So PAN card and DL and passport are the documents that are accepted. And apart from that, you need to give the business proof, like GST certificate if you have, or private limited certificate if you have, or any other type of businesses that has been registered. So you can need to give that, submit that. Apart from that, there will be a verification for like your business, what kind of business you do. It's like digital marketing agency, or a software company, IT software company, or refrigerator business. So any sorts of business that you have, you can give that details, and Google will verify everything, and then it will allow you to run the ads. If I click on the settings, there is nothing much over here. So whatever I have given, all those data will be available here. So this was the basic account settings that we talked about, and we created this account without creating any campaign. So thank you so much. If you liked this video, then please do subscribe my channel, and I'll create more videos for you. So you will get notified once you are subscribed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do comment. I'll make sure that I reply to each and every comments that I get on my video. Thank you. Bye bye.